this part, how do programming from CNC machining, 3-axis milling machine. This is MM program. Now doing MM program. So I delete all entities. First open part. The step file I will open. This is part assembly. I do single part. This only one part doing. So I level manager go, then all minimize the layer, turn off. All layers turn off. Only this part. Press F9. Coming the axis. Move to transform. Transform, dynamic transform. This part going to RG. So need to dynamic transform here to this axis 0. Okay, move ready. Again press F9, go axis view hidden. Then now open machine, milling machine, MM T-part machine. Then press file menu, files, and this is master model. Master model I will select. This is master model. Then I will select solid model. This is solid model. Solid model selects creating stock model from bounding box. I will stock extend per side 1 mm, up and bottom 1 mm. Then creating line and arc. I will doing before. I need to one level create new level. Doing stock model, stock wireframe, stock wireframe. Stock wireframe. Go to files and master model. I will select this part. Then stock model I will select the bounding box rectangle. So manual selection, I will select solid model. Then per side 2 mm stock extend, 2 mm stock extend, 2 mm stock extend. Line and arcs automatically generate the stock model corner side line and arcs. I will enable. Press OK. Then press OK. The generating stock model, the blue color line, I will change the blue color line color is red. I will change. This menu is cube selection menu. Cube selection, all entity you need select lines. Press here and here. Select all entities. You will change anything or delete any modify can. So this is master model, the solid model. This is stock model wireframe. Okay. Then I will do toolpaths, contour toolpaths. First I will face milling operation. Facing operation. Go to this is wireframe. Only 2D selection this wireframe. 3D selection this solid. any 3D solid wireframe selection. This single selection or group selection, face selection, anything. You need to select the curve. Use this wireframe. Wireframe is here. You select will be rectangular fully select. So unselect all. The single line here, and the direction will be changed here. Then go to select library. You need to filter tools filter face mill only. Tools will be so standard tools like 50 mm tools, face mill tool. Then RPM is 6000. Plunge rate 50 mm face mill. 50 mm face mill. Holder cut parameter. Cut parameter will be default side 2D. Then depth of cut. We start 2 mm. So rough step 1 mm, 1 mm. Finishing step one pass is 0.5 mm. Lead in, lead out. You need to lead in, lead out. Here tool, plunging, then go to arc, then go linear, then again arc coming here. Arc here coming. So this all menu enabler, exit and entry and exit enable. So you check the top of stock here, depth of cut, the zero line, minus 1.5 mm, absolute 0. Here to arc entry, lead in, lead out is arc entry. Arc entry disable. You need to here tool plunge and linear go, and here tool plunge linear go. So I will change lead in, lead out, entry and exit all disable. Adjust contour, extend, need to extend, not shorten. Extend 75% per tool. As per tool 75% coming. The tool path is coming. Okay, then I will XY stock wall side 10 mm minus 10 mm minus 10 mm. So they expand wall side toolbar. You need to enable all face contain the tool. Okay, face mill will be finished. Then this toolpath enable and disable, or plus T from your keyboard, press T. Click the contour, then press T. Coming the toolpath visibility. Then I will dynamic milling operation. Next operation I will go to dynamic milling operation. This part dynamic milling operation, the 2D toolpath. Machining region, select the line, then next machining region, please. avoid region, machining region, which area machining, you select the entity, then avoid region, you will select the 3D, the solid phase entities. Only these entities only coming, these entities cannot select. So need to wireframe. Now need to this outside the chamber starting area will be generate entities. So go to wireframe, then 1H curve. 1H curve will be generate new entities. If entity color change green color, the green color entity will be selected. So dynamic milling tool path, machining region, select all areas. Avoid region, you need to select machining area. Avoid region is which area no need to machining area, avoid region. So go to avoid region, then wireframe, select the red color area is machining area. The avoid region area is the solid phase is no need to machining. So avoid region I extend need to solid order, solid phase, this phase and this phase and this phase, this phase. Never to machining this phase. Only this area avoided. The machining area is stock model to will be generated.